Assalamu alaikum. I came here to congratulate you on the 30th anniversary of the liberation. You know, I really understand when you're talking about liberation what you mean, because my family and myself 30 years ago, we ran away from my country of birth because my country wasn't free. I was born in Poland and I came here as an immigrant. We had to defect from our country. So I know what it's like to have a country that is not free and to have to run away. And I know how important freedom is. So today, 30-year anniversary, is so very important. The most important thing in our life is freedom. So may Somalia forever be free, so you can enjoy your freedom and your culture and religion. That's so important. But freedom also is important right here in Alberta. And as you know, I am running for Premier of Alberta. And on September 5th, there's a big election. We're choosing a new Premier. And I am the only candidate from Edmonton, from Northern Alberta, and I hope that you will support me. Thank you. So if you want to pick up a membership, my friend Jama over here, he has all the forms you need. So if you have a minute of free time, please pick up a form, pick up a membership and support me. And to all the guests from the United States and from all over the place, welcome to Alberta and welcome to Canada, and God bless you all. Thank you.